Peace family, Queen here. All right, so I wanted to answer this question. I felt like this was a great question that I received in regards to the plans that are current for Invesable AI. And the question was, can I add to an existing plan? So for example, say, you start with the 2% daily for 25 days plan, right? So that requires a deposit of $3,000 and above. And say you get paid next week or whatever, and you want to add to this plan. You cannot add to a plan, okay? Once you have deposited into a plan, that plan is set for whatever amount it is that you deposited into that plan. That plan is set, and that expiration date is already set. So if you come back and you want to add to a plan, you'd have to basically buy a new plan. Now you can have multiple plans, and I know Lee is thinking about changing the name of these to options versus packages or plans, but as you can see right here, it says select a plan. So if you want to, say you want to add more, then what you'll have to do is you would have to buy another plan at a minimum of 500, right? But if you wanted to stay in the upper 2%, 3% or whatever, then you would have to deposit that amount to get that particular ROI daily. Okay, so let me just go through all the plans, right? So I answered that question, right? You cannot add to a plan. You'd have to start a new plan. Every single deposit has its own start date and has its own end date. Okay, and so you'll see your deposits over here. When you click on your deposits, you'll see all of your plans. It could be one plan, it could be 100 plans, it could be a multiple of plans, right? And they can run simultaneously. So you don't have to wait for one plan to end before you start a new one. You just cannot add to an existing plan. Okay? All right, so let's just go through the current plans. Now I'm going to talk about these two here first because these are promotional plans. So the 3% daily for 20 calendar days, right now the minimum on that is $5,000 or above to start that particular plan. That plan will allow you to withdraw every single day. So you're getting 3% a day for 20 days. That's 60% on your deposit. You can withdraw from this every single day. All right. There are some bonuses currently that's going on. We just sent out an email and said they're extending this promotion for 3 days. So I'm assuming Saturday, Sunday, this plan will expire. Okay. You always know what's available when you log into your account and you click on deposit. You'll see what is available, what plans are available right there. Okay. So that's the 3% plan. Then they have a 170% plan. You can look at this as 3.5% that you're getting for 20 days on this plan. All right. Now this plan right here does not allow you to withdraw daily. You're going to get everything, including your deposit, including your 3.5 daily. You're going to get everything at the end, at the maturity of the plan. So you'll get that at the end of the 20 days. Okay, that's how that plan works, right? So you don't get anything daily, you don't get the withdraw daily, you get everything at the end of this plan, at the end of the 20 days. Now, the 2% daily for these are the more so I would say permanent, plans that have been here. So the 2% daily for 25 business days, you can withdraw that out every single day. That requires a $3,000 deposit and above. 25 business days equates to 35 calendar days. All right, 35 thereabout. And then the last plan is the minimum plan is 500 deposit or better, and it's 1% daily, 25 business days, which is 35 calendar days. Okay, so just remember this 3%, this 170%. These are promotional, and these are going to this weekend, right? You'll always know what's available by going to your website and looking inside when you go to deposits, and you can see what plans are available. The 2% and the 1% they've been here since the platform started, so they're pretty permanent. But you know, there's some promotions. There's going to be a webinar on Friday that's going to announce some upcoming promotions. So I would definitely recommend that you get on my email list, or you know, create your free account. If you're looking at this thing, you know, and you're doing your due diligence and you're thinking about getting into it, you can create a free account. It doesn't cost you anything to set up a free account, and then you'll be on their email list. So Invesable, you'll be on their email list, and you'll be on my email list. So you'll get all the updates about what's taking place. All right, so I just wanted to answer that question. I thought that was a great question, and I'm sure other people may have that question. So just know you cannot add to an existing plan. If you want to start another plan, you know, or if you want to add to, you just have to start another plan. All right, so I will see you all in the next videos.